All right, now welcome back. Now, how many of you know the hashtag #WhoYouHelp? #WhoYouHelp.
You don't bath.
You don't
Who you serve.
Well, Olamide not the person who actually made this on the trend online, this campaign of #WhoYouHelp. But now, comedian Bovi don't come outside, tell people of the best answer to give person where he ask you, who you help. Let's watch this video.
I don't miss you. I help myself. I help myself. Yes. I serve God. I help myself. I don't miss you. I help myself. I help myself. Yes. I serve God. I help myself.
So, any which way, if person ask you who you help, just say
myself. Who you serve? I serve God. Or if you put the one way they serve, for they've now reached out, you put on.
You know what? Let's talk about this who you help, because I see person recently maybe they ask me, say, okay, what does who you help mean? I really want to understand what who you help. How do you think about that? This hashtag who you help, what do you actually mean?
But really, because I won't believe, say, the existence of every person that say you are sent to someone, be it little or be it small. So at the end of the day, some people go tell you, say, I never blow, I never hammer, so I know help anybody. You need to help somebody.
Yes.
Like now, I help we.
So do it.
We na my girl. We na my girl. So who you help? You need to have help somebody. Maybe like that they do one video the other time on one TV station that they ask celebrities, say who they help. They ask to face, say who you help. Say help my wife.
Correct.
You understand? Some people, you got some people who you help. Don't go say help my mama, I help my this one. Annie, Divya, who you help? Say help myself.
But you know what's in Betiana? What's actually being about this hashtag who you help?
Sister, if you ask me, who I'm
going to ask?
Question. You need to ask Olamide.
No worry, just call Olamide, may tell us.
The reason why this particular one come outside now, some people when they come outside they brag. Maybe they brag, say I get this one, I get that one, so they'll come and ask you, so who you help? You get all these plenty things, but you don't help person. So who you actually help? So I believe, say, if you give a response like I help myself, you're selfish. As far as I'm concerned.
No, selfish.
But if you don't help yourself,
who you want help?
No, definitely. In life, you must help yourself. Like now, we are hungry.
So first response, I help myself. Now, second response, I help talk. Because if I know they talk no go be the same. Third response, I help my family. They represent them well. Ask me for fourth one.
So let me be asking you.
Ask me.
Who you help?
I help myself.
Who you help?
I help my family.
Who you help?
I help talk.
Who you help?
I help the world.
Who you help?
I help Nigeria.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.